Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up wishlist on your Shopify store using our app Zon Customer Accounts and Return. So let's get started. To set up the wishlist on Shopify, you have to navigate to the Settings tab in the Zon app and make sure you enable the wishlist feature from here. You can see I have enabled the wishlist feature here, and if you haven't added the wishlist block while setting up this app, you simply have to click on Edit in front of the Customer Account Editor, and simply you have to add the wishlist block to the customer account. After activating this feature, you will see the wishlist below this Add to Cart Buy It Now section. Now let's move to the Shopify app embed section to customize the wishlist button through Zon app. Here you can customize the wishlist button's background color, text color and hover background color. You can adjust these settings according to your preferences. After that, you have to click on Save and then close this tab. You can see I have come to my online store to verify the wishlist button and block. So I'm clicking on Add to Wishlist. You can see this product has been added to my wishlist and the icon will show here. You can see the wishlist will show here as well. There are top ordered products, recently viewed products, and here you will see the wishlist products. You can see this one I added recently. Now let's move back to our app and click on Wishlists. Here you will see all the products that you will add to your wishlist, and the complete data regarding the products will appear by clicking on the links. So finally, we can say the wishlist feature in our app is working perfectly. Now summing up, this video was all about setting wishlist in your Shopify store using our app Zon Customer Accounts and Return. I hope after watching this video, you will have got the clear idea of setting it up. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thank you for watching this video.